Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating obvious interference, close overlays and background apps that hook input. Then, set Windows power to high performance. This prevents CPU scaling that stalls frames. Update your GPU drivers next. Outdated drivers cause stutters and input lag. Finally, confirm Riot Vanguard is active and Valorant is allowed through your firewall. Once done, launch Valorant and check frames and ping. Low FPS or a throttled CPU often explains movement delay, so fix those first. You now refine in-game and input settings to remove micro delays. Lower shadows and post effects. They cause frame timing variance that feels like movement delay. Cap your FPS to a steady value just above monitor refresh to avoid fluctuating frame times. On the hardware side, set your mouse polling to 500 or 1000 Hz and turn off Windows mouse acceleration. Inconsistent pointer filtering introduces directional lag. Once these changes are applied, test movement in a practice range and watch for smooth. To finish, lock in system settings. Set Valorant to high priority in Task Manager so Windows favors its threads. Avoid extreme core affinity unless you know what you are doing. Test network stability. Switch to a wired connection, replace the cable, and inspect packet loss and jitter in the net graph. If problems persist, run system file check, reinstall Vanguard, and reset network adapters. Key troubleshooting tip. If movement lag remains, perform a clean boot to isolate a conflicting background process. This often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.